Hello friends! Today we have a fantastic new product to review, Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. This is a flagship foldable smartphone from Motorola, which combines innovative design and advanced technology. Let's figure out what makes this smartphone so attractive and what new features it offers. Let's start with the design. Motorola Razr 50 Ultra has retained the stylish and recognizable clamshell form factor that we loved so much from the original Razr models. When folded, the smartphone looks compact and fits comfortably in the hand, making it ideal for those who want to carry a powerful device in their pocket without extra weight. However, as soon as you open the smartphone, you see a large 6.9-inch flexible AMOLED display with a resolution of 2640 by 1080 pixels and a refresh rate of 165 Hz. The colors on the screen are bright and saturated, and thanks to the ultra-thin frames, the smartphone looks modern and stylish. On the outside, there is an additional 4-inch OLED display, which is great for quick notifications, music control, and even quick responses to messages. Under the hood, the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra has a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 processor. This is a top-end solution that ensures lightning-fast smartphone operation even under high loads. You can run heavy games, switch between multiple applications, and enjoy a smooth interface without any lags. The smartphone also has 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal memory, which is more than enough to store all your files, photos, and videos. And thanks to 5G support, the internet connection will be fast, regardless of your location. Now let's move on to the cameras. The Motorola Razr 50 Ultra has a main camera with a 50-megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization. This allows you to take clear and bright photos even in low-light conditions. For those who love ultra-wide shots, there is a 50-megapixel camera with a wide 120-degree viewing angle. The 32-megapixel front camera is located inside the foldable display and is ideal for selfies and video calls. It is important to note that thanks to the foldable design, you can use the main camera for selfies, using the outer screen as a viewfinder. This is an ideal solution for those who want to take high-quality photos. Despite its compact size, the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra is equipped with a capacious 4,000 mAh battery, which is enough for a whole day of active use. And thanks to support for fast charging at 45 watts, you can charge the smartphone in the shortest possible time. Wireless charging is also here, which makes the charging process even more convenient. One of the main features of the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra is its software. The smartphone runs on Android 14, and Motorola has added several unique features for foldable devices. For example, the ability to use 2 applications simultaneously on the screen. You can watch a video on one part of the screen and text on the other. An important feature is improved protection against water and dust according to the IP52 standard, which gives the device additional reliability in everyday use. Motorola Razr 50 Ultra is not just a stylish smartphone, but a real technological breakthrough in the world of foldable devices. It combines an elegant design, powerful hardware, and unique features that make it one of the best in its class. If you are looking for a premium foldable smartphone with an excellent screen, performance, and cameras, then this device is definitely worth your attention. What do you think about the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra? Share your opinion in the comments and don't forget to like it if you liked the review. Thanks for watching, and see you soon!